We're here at the Sunday morning tournament. That's the score to beat right there. Here we go. Wish us luck.
Take a break, ladies and gentlemen. You did.
I tried, but the stupid thing got stuck again. Unbelievable. 20 is trash.
Great job, everyone.
I was doing great.
Job.
All my balls got stuck for a long time. Oh, yeah.
Ricardo with first. Rui.
All right, we got the boys, Alejandro and Javier, in the last session. So hopefully one of them does something. Here we go.
We're off, ladies and gentlemen. Great job,
all right, that's it. See what the boys did. I thought Alejandro was going to do well this time. 6.
Man.
All right, 6.3. You might creep in. How about you, loser?
First, second, and third place will receive
great job.
Yeah, right.
You suck.
Angel, Alex, and Hamid.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I saw you on YouTube.
Hi, how are you? I'm filming right now. Do you want to be on tape? No? No woman wants to be on tape. Hold on. There you go. What's your name? Where are you from? Oh, she just told me she's a fan of the channel. How'd you do the tournament? You're 72. So you have to wait for a second chance running like the rest of us. All right, best of luck to you, okay? Bye, everybody. Okay, we're here at the vault. Put $100 into Sahara Gold Lightning, and we hit our bonuses. $53 left. See what we get. Hopefully we get some writing over the totals. Give me some writing. Mini, minor, major would be nice. 8,300. What do we got so far? 40, 50. Come on. There we go. Now give me some writing. Okay. Come on. Give us one more. There we go. All right. We need one more for 55,000. Let's do it. Come on, one time. All right. Not bad. Perfect. Doubled up. Yeah, 218. Cash out. All right, on the way to Pechanga. Nothing happened for any of us in the tournament nor in the drawings, but you did see me just win like $115 at Lightning Link in the vault. Actually, what happened is I put $100 in, and then got down to like 50 something. And I go, let me play some of my free play. And I used about $35 with my free play, and I hit that bonus during the free play. And then we cashed out for like 218. So that's not bad. In for 100, out for 218, and we used $35 for free play. So on the Pechanga, I only slept 2 hours last night because I was at Commerce till really late. And I didn't go to sleep till like 6 in the morning. And I woke up at 8. So I'm running off of 2 hours sleep. So I don't think we'll be at Pechanga for long. So we're just gonna play a couple hours of Omaha, maybe 100 here and 100 there of slots, and then probably take off after that, come home and just go back to sleep. So wish us luck. All right, we're in my favorite lock and link nightlife. Put 100 in, second spin, bonus. All right, we put that $125 ticket in here. They do Dragon Link. Which one is Golden Century? I think, I don't know. Anyways, 40 bucks left. We hit our first bonus. We're betting dime denom 250 a spin. So let's get it. Get some writing. Oh, minor. Ranger. Anything. Big. All right, we stuck. I think the ticket we stuck in was 125. We're gonna cash out 102. Okay, welcome to Mental Patient Poker. I've had enough. I bought in $545, I think. This is all that's left. These are the pots from now on. They're this big, each of them. Right?
I don't got nothing.
All good hands are losing. Everybody's winning with trash.
Give me. Uh-oh. You guys better watch it.
Check it.
No. There's no check. Mental patient.
Easy.
This is mental patient poker.
I can go one time.
I know it's coming on the turn.
I know. Mine's coming on the turn.
I bet you don't. I bet you don't. I bet against it. 3-1. You want to bet?
Give me a jump card.
No more diamonds.
Oh.
No more diamonds.
Ooh. What the frick is he doing?
Mental patient poker.
Alright. I gotta go. I'm close. I'm very close.
You know, you guys have a fold button too, right?
What's a fold button?
What's a fold exactly?
Oh my goodness. What a horrible card that is.
What is that? Run out. Deuce, king, 7, 3, 5.
What a horrible
All right, I check it. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Now he bets.
horrible card.
It's funny how everybody chases to the river and then the bitching starts. What a terrible card. What bullshit this.
Come on,
Don't be afraid.
Don't worry. It's two lows, one high.
Let's go.
Yeah, I know he's got ace 4.
Let's go.
Go, show.
I messed up.
He's got the flush.
Ace 4, 6.
Queen high
Well,
flush.
yeah, I'm glad. All right. I got ace 4 too.
Alright.
Yeah, you got ace 3 is just like me. Ace 3, 4 just like me. What a fucking spade on the river.
Diamonds? That's you?
I had diamonds, yeah, that's it.
I had diamonds. I jacked
No, I had the higher diamond.
That's why I didn't show up.
that.
Did you go all the way to the river too?
So that pot is how much? 100, 200,
300.
300. What'd you
I
think?
saw the 5. I didn't see the flush.
You didn't see the flush? That's why. Why'd you move from this seat to that one?
Yeah. No.
Well, at least we didn't get raised. Thank God.
Yeah. I know.
I get 4 not spades.
I don't know. At least we won money. A little bit, not much.
Yeah, you need that. The 4 I would go straight.
Nice river there, sir.
It's no river game, buddy.
Yeah, I know. The river's stuck it in my ass so many times today.
Wow.
No freaking.
Did you buy it a gift?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the great guy. Yeah, the great hat.
This is the very next hand. Look at this. Capped. Yeah, this is like mental patient poker. Beautiful. Beautiful. I check to you, mental patients. Go.
I like that. There was nothing. I kept it as shit.
Where's the action at? You check, Steve?
Yeah, I checked.
Running ball.
Freebie.
I need a 4.
Freebie. Oh my goodness.
What a scumbag you are, I
How
swear.
did he hit that?
What a scum you are.
Why even call it? We called it.
I even called it.
These cards are going straight into the trash can right now.
Ah. What? I have
Get
6
the high.
Look at this. I got
3
6
pair.
deuce.
With 3 pair on the flop.
God damn it. How do you guys catch that 4?
Ace deuce. Ace deuce.
He's got nut low. You got nut high. What does he have? He had ace deuce. I got.
Oh. I needed the heart.
At 9. At 9.
Needed a heart.
I needed an ace to take everything.
Needed a heart. I thought for sure it was coming on the turn.
I'm gonna open a Patreon soon. Everybody donate, please. These mental patients. Another $350 pot. Six. How do you catch a 4? He's got a 4. I got a 4.
I thought for sure.
How do you catch a 4 like that?
I was just wanting the board.
Does he have a 4 too? That's a case 4. Beautiful.
I wanted the board to pair.
You caught a 1-outer.
I didn't catch a 1-outer. I had fucking 3
Shut
pairs.
up! I don't want to hear your bullshit,
Catch my 1-outer.
asshole.
I had 3 pairs.
Shut up.
Had a heart.
And he was the one complaining about luck earlier. Remember?
Very angry.
You got yeah, I am very angry. That's why. Tired of the river sticking it to me every hand. These magicians over here. I'm playing with like 7 magicians today. Every miracle needed. Boom. God Almighty.
Every time they call somebody, 601, yes. 601, yes.
Oh.
So far away from what I wanted. Oh, check. Oh. Oh. Oh.
There it is.
Check. Go to 5. Here we go.
All right. Steven, can you give me some gas money to go home with?
Aren't you capping it?
I did. Man, I'm the one drinking over here.
I need gas money, guys.
Only got $80. Come on, Bob. You know you're a millionaire, buddy.
I gotta go 90 miles too. It's too far to hitchhike.
Pick up a card.
I'm thinking of 10 cards. 10 cards. Give me one.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Give me 10 cards.
Good deal.
He's first. Check. Check.
Something up my card.
So am I.
Everybody's moaning. What are you chips?
You guys are freaking nuts. Bingo.
Bingo.
Red. Oh. What the shit?
Hand, he's first.
Check.
Check.
Call.
Race.
What the?
Huh?
Did you really hit that?
My 2 pairs no good?
Oh, shut up with your 2-pair bullshit.
How do I miss this?
Oh, they called it already.
No.
I got high.
Play for it.
Yeah, I flopped a set of 6s. What did you have?
I made it too. Like 48. Man, I ended 3
But you-
clubs, dude.
He was saying pair the board.
My low was good. I had live 3.
Yeah, 3. I couldn't call it. What do you have? 8 high, 9 high straight. I needed a club. That's what I need.
3 of clubs?
9 of clubs. I mean any club. I had nut flush.
3 of clubs to make a straight flush.
Yeah. Pushing.
Chips on 2.
What the high hand is, dealer, please? Showing kings full of queens up there.
Thanks for the queen.
That can't be right.
This is full. 4.
Steve. Steve.
Race.
Hey.
Steve. High hand for Omaha.
Ask, just ask him what it is.
I'll go with it right now.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think this.
Check.
I don't like it when you show cards to your neighbor and still bet out.
I got no choice, man. I gotta go all the way.
I fold. Look at that flop. Top two. Queens and nines.
You got me. Flush. Nut flush good. 6-10.
6 queen.
Oh, 6 queens. 6 queens.
Look how lucky you got. Hey,
No, no.
how lucky did you get? I got top two. You got top and bottom, and she gives you your bottom card. Unreal.
$2 behind.
I didn't see
Aces full of fours. Yeah, I had aces full of fours. Yeah. He got. And he tells me be careful.
That's not a kill, dog.
Not a kill.
That's not a kill.
Yeah, it's not a kill.
Good. About time you hit one, brother.
Just $300 in the middle. That's not a kill. You happy now, Mr. Jonas? You got a lucky goddamn 6 on me?
Oh, keep on. Do what you do. Keep on doing what you
Kiss my ass. All right. Queen 9 versus Queen 6. He catches a 6. Unreal. Yeah, unreal. Look at that. You won $300 on a bullshit 2-outer. All day long I've been running like this. All day long.
What's it doing raising?
I don't know how you called with that garbage. Unreal. Uncle Frank, can I borrow some money, please?
Hey,
Uncle Frank, please.
on this table. you
Jonas
just
keeps raping me on the turn.
on this table. You just gotta brace yourself and right.
Yeah, no shit. This is a mental patient game. Unreal.
No, you got queens.
7 aces. That's all you need.
7 aces. No, 7 aces.
Oh, 7 ace?
Oh, 7 aces.
Oh, he needs 7 aces. That's what he needs.
What the fuck?
7 aces with a joker.
Oh, okay.
Look at this. There's no cards out. There's already $300 in the middle of the table.
Like baseball.
Jesus.
Yep.
Yeah, how does those 3 cards come out when there's a 6-way action for a cap?
Where we at?
6.
Jonas check.
6.
Raise 18.
Hopefully, and you need it. See what happens.
Oh, I think it's gonna come too.
Don't do it.
Tell me you had all pictures.
Oh, close. Okay.
I had 4 picture cards.
There's a big call for you, brother.
I had 4 picture cards, and it comes 3 lower every time.
I had three.
Trips or 3.
I had
Jack.
3.
Uh-oh, dead. Whoa, I get lucky. Half. I'll play with my brother.
Yeah, flop the wheel. Damn, man, he flopped nut. Ace 3-6
I got lucky.
on deuce 4-5, and he only gets half.
Get a push. That's
God almighty.
I'm ready to give it up to my brother.
Done with Omaha. In for $545, out for $335. So minus $210. But you guys see how crazy insane that game is. I mean, there's $300 in the middle of the table before even the cards come out sometimes. I mean, it's just ridiculous. And if you don't catch the right cards, I mean, there was a pot that I was scooping until the river card, and I lost everything. And the pot was at least $450, $500. I mean, it's just Omaha had lows for mental patience. I swear it is just unbelievable. I showed about 4 hands about how crazy that game is. I mean, there's like $300 in the middle of the table before the cards come out. You get the right players, and the game just goes nuts. So we bounced back. We got lucky on one pot towards the end. We were down to like less than $100, but then we came back and we cashed out for $335. Not the result we want, but we'll take it. It's better than being down $545. Anyways, we're gonna go to some slots right now and play our free play as well. See what happens.